we heard the guy behind us go, "Ow!" really loud. And we all kind of looked back, and he said, "She stabbed me with a pen."
Imagine being asleep and then being stung by bees and waking up and going, "Ow."
Chucklehead here fell asleep on the taxi on the runway, and I guess his arm kind of brushed over to her. She just went nuts and started stabbing her with his pen. He screamed really loud, almost like a little girl.
Yes.
And
The only way to get attention is scream like a little girl.
stewards ran over, and then they asked, the captain if he wanted to go back to the gate, and he said absolutely, because that's a physical attack. You can't have someone who attacks someone on the plane.
At least 2 or 3 officers came on board, and then they were all told to follow them off, and we were probably delayed about 50 minutes at that point.
They questioned us, and they took her away and said, "You guys want to go back in your flight?" And we said, "Of course. We've already been delayed." He's going to be okay. He's going to have some big bruises, but he'll be fine. But
Things are fine. All I wanted to do was get home.